What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Secretary Jong Kakasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC haka arpundriu tring Nailur ula pentip ba ka jingpen long ya ka election ban jied ya Chief Executive Member CEM bathymmai ka KHADC kan long haka laipo tring Nailur. Ka jingpen long ya ka ni ka election kalawan long hadin ka jingklem no jong ka Executive Committee ka batang nyau benai namar ka jinghyar syuki kendit jong UMDC ka VPP na lang kerdem light kro uba syambor lang renja kum CEM. Ka VPP ka badan ya ka jingbun paj ha KHADC kalarai ban penyeng da UMDC ka nong thamai uba Winston Tony Lingdo kum ukurtong ha ka ni ka election jet CEM. La jied ya uba Winston ban shimti kum CEM bathymmai ha ka jingyalang ka bala penyai da President ka VPP uba Arden Basayomoy ha ka jingdon lang jong baro ki MDC jong ka parti. Ka VPP kala penbenaru ya UMDC kejayau uba Denzel Reynard Chen ba unshimti kumu executive member bathymmai hapok ka isi kaban sathau hadin ka election. Haka shiti inok kam balapa da ucaman ka KHADC uba strong pillar kharjana uba syambor lang renja ula pentip ya ka jingbom don jong u haka met ka bakoj bakya kum kadau halendet jong kani ka jing inok kam kum CEM.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.